Soccer DBB number 527. That is one box of EPL Platinum 2017-18. Good luck, guys. Next up is Spectra Hit Draft. Alright, good luck, guys. Here we go. One box of EPL. Let's see what we got here. We got all base. We have Kyle Walker, Manchester City to 100. And here is the autograph already. And that is going out to Aaron Lennon in Burnley. Aaron Lennon. Burnley spot. And that is Guy. And we got Jan Vertonghen for Tottenham to 25. Jan Vertonghen for Tottenham to 25. Tottenham is Devore. Nice one. Some of those sell really good. Begovic insert. Got Mohamed Salah, Liverpool. We have Lemina. Firmino, Liverpool. Hugo Reis, Tottenham. We have Shaloba for Watford. Pascal Gross, Huddersfield. Here is the jersey after Aguero. Relic card, and that is going out to Luke Shaw, Manchester United. Here comes the last autograph. We got Aguero and last auto. Good luck. That is going out to Matt Phillips, West Bromwich. Who has West Brom? Guy as well. Wow, Guy killed it. Alright, that's it for the break, guys. Thanks again for joining. Hope to see you next time. Peace.